Hi all, this is Simona Rich, and in this video I would like to share with you what I was recently thinking about, which is one of the ways to use media to your own advantage, because mainly people are abused, or how to say, they are exposed to media to their own disadvantage, but media, like anything else, can be used to either your advantage or disadvantage. So if we have it, we might as well use it for our own advantage. And one of the advantages of media is that you actually can help yourself to achieve what you want, your goals, through the use of it. And that's because of the way that our brains work. For example, it cannot really tell between the reality that we see here and the artificial digital reality. And this can be greatly used to our own advantage, because if we surround ourselves with things that we want to experience, the mind doesn't know the difference. It thinks that we are already experiencing this, and your vibration starts getting into the alignment with the vibration of what you're seeing, which will eventually get you to where you want to be. So although this is kind of sounds like a new agey teaching, but as I told, new age does have truth, but it has half truths and not full truths. So this is one of the things that really work, and it definitely helped me to get to where I wanted to be in life, to have my own business, to live where I want to live, to travel the world. And the way that I did it is to use everything that I can to get me there. I mean in a good way, not like to use people or anything. So I would look at magazine images of beautiful islands, beautiful tropical places, and I just would focus on that so much, imagine myself there. I would watch videos of people whom I wanted to be like. And this again helped me, because the mind does know the difference. It thinks that I'm actually looking at that person in real life as though that person is my friend. And again, observing such people makes your vibration rise, makes your vibration similar to that person. That's why it's important with whom you hang out, and that's why it's very important to avoid all the bad company, not to stay with people who you don't want to be like, because you will become like them. If you don't have friends around you that are living the life that you would like to live, then stay away from people like this. It's better to be alone and surrounded by images and videos of people you would like to be like, of life that you would like to have, reading books of similar vibration that you would like to have, and thinking about such things to keep raising your vibration rather than being exposed to the reality of things and never changing. So use the media to your advantage in such a way. If you don't like your life, then surround yourself with images and videos of the kind of life that you would like to live, of the kind of person that you would like to be, and observe your life changing. It will change fast if you allow it. Just believe that this would happen, as it's told by Jesus. You do everything with faith, and it's true. If you don't believe that your life will change by being exposed to such things, well, then it won't. Your faith is the most important thing, and then use the media in such a way to your advantage, and definitely you will see your life changing. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Take care.